We need to talk about a brand new car insurance company called Buckle Up. Buckle Up is different than any other car insurance companies because they're catered specifically to gig workers. So if you work for any of the 9 major gig apps such as Lyft, Uber, Instacart, GrubHub, and more, you need to keep listening. What makes Buckle Up so unique is that they take your personal driving and your rideshare driving and they put it under the same policy. Whereas most car insurance companies put it under 2 different policies, which leads to a lot of chaos and confusion. So with Buckle Up, whether you're running errands, whether you're driving someone around, picking up food, if something were to happen, you can call their awesome customer service team and they'll be able to help you out under the one policy with one point of contact and less confusion. Another awesome thing about Buckle Up is that they don't run your credit score to determine the cost of your insurance. They look at your star rating on your app. This is great for people who struggle with their credit score. Buckle Up is the most convenient insurance for gig drivers to use, and you can learn more about it on their website. You can also get a free quote on their website. Buckle Up is currently available in 7 different states, so check out their website to see if you fall under one of those, and you can get a free quote. If you want an insurance company that's going to cater specifically to you as a driver, check out Buckle Up. You won't be disappointed.